I have made this Holy Quran very easier for you to read, to understand and to memorize in your heart. No, you cannot destroy the Holy Book Quran from Indian subcontinent because they don't just write down Holy Quran in the blank pages. They memorize the Quran in their heart. Vishnu বলেছেন, one of the minor signs before the day of judgment, your Islamic lectures will be very longer and your offering salah 5 times a day will be very shorter. If anyone steals something very precious from the society, the government should cut down his right hand. Every year, huge amount of tourists from Europe and America, they come in order to see this dead body, the historical dead body. Motivation রেখেছেন, read this surah and be motivated. Never be sad, never be frustrated, never be upset, always be positive. In the long history of the world, there is no instance of magnanimity and forgiveness which was shown by Muhammad when all of his enemies laid under his feet and he forgave them one and all. Psychiatrists jara ase, they ask their patient to count the bounties and mercies and blessings they got from their Lord in their life. And verily, indeed, your Lord will give you something that will make you happy. Islam bole there is no difference between black and white, between upper and lower, between the richer section of the society and poorer section of the society, between the prime minister and rickshaw puller. Everyone is totally equal, 100% equal, completely equal in the eyes of Islam.